Electric circular saw. This machine is specifically created to handle the processing of large trees. It features a 60-inch circular saw and a 7-inch separating cylinder. The wood is first cut by the circular mechanism, and then the logs are sorted by a specialized device that divides them into 4 parts. One of the advantages of this type of vehicle is its powerful engine. Additionally, it can be easily driven with a joystick, and its comfortable cab is equipped with heating for added comfort. VZ950. This crusher is considered one of the most powerful vehicles produced by its manufacturer, and it is equipped with a hydraulic transmission. Its modular design allows for relatively low operating times and maintenance costs. The crusher is highly efficient and reliable in processing materials, including logs, bodywork, plants, and household plastic waste. It features a track system that enables it to move at high speeds, despite its impressive weight. Forced mulcher RWM 650. This new generation wood shredder is a universal unit that provides fast and ecologically effective land cleaning, as well as high-quality soil cultivation. It is designed for heavy and medium duty and is ideal for preparing large surfaces with different types of plants. The coupler can be installed on any vehicle carrier with an engine ranging from 140 to 350 horsepower. Notably, the shredder is capable of immersing itself in the soil at a depth of up to 8 inches to remove the roots of already cut plants. Its edge is capable of handling even hardwood species. SV Truck TMF 28-21. The reach stacker is a unique type of forklift that has been specifically designed to handle containers of all sizes and shapes. It is an extremely heavy machine, weighing 75 tons, and it has a remarkable load capacity of 35 tons. The overall dimensions of the reach stacker are 30 feet in length, 14 feet in width, and 13 feet in height. This massive vehicle is powered by diesel fuel and is equipped with a large, mobile hook that can lift objects to a maximum height of 21 feet. Aside from its primary use in container handling, the reach stacker can also be utilized for other purposes. For example, it can be employed in clearing forested areas or in various construction projects, no matter how complex they may be. Litter Master 9000. This vehicle is the perfect solution for efficient and high-quality cleaning of a variety of items such as bottles, straws, plastic cans, glass, plastic bags, and more. Its advanced equipment allows for the rapid collection of garbage after large sporting and cultural events. According to the developer, this vacuum vehicle is far superior to traditional gasoline-based blowers, thanks to its direct suction capability. It can clean an area of approximately 7 miles in just 6 hours, significantly reducing cleaning time. The suction hose has a diameter of 8 inches. Furthermore, this technical tool is simple to operate and has been designed to function for several years without requiring significant maintenance. Valtra N92. This is a Broadway-manufactured trailer sweeper that comes with a mechanical adjustment and a direct loading system for garbage disposal in the landfill compartment. It has been designed specifically to clean urban roads, pedestrian areas, and other roads effectively. It is compatible with most dumpers and tractors, and is capable of cleaning up to 1.2 tons of trash per minute. The collection technology employed in this sweeper is highly efficient, removing crushed snow, asphalt debris, and all types of trash from the streets. The sweeper is equipped with 2 side brushes, each having a diameter of approximately 1,300 millimeters. The user can adjust the amount of hair, hold, and tilt angle longitudinally and transversely in each brush. In addition, it also features a cylindrical rear brush with a diameter of 750 mm, which provides a high shaft rotation speed and therefore a higher operating speed. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a comment suggesting other types of machinery that you would like to see covered. If you appreciate this channel, please subscribe and activate all notifications to ensure that you don't miss our upcoming videos.